What comes to your mind when asked about a medical magazine? Boring, informative, entertaining, useful, brilliant, significant, educational, impressive. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. First, let me take you down the memory lane and let's see when was the first magazine published. 1663 it seems. Okay, so when was the first medical magazine published? 1731 it seems. But why does it matter? Why do you need to read a magazine? If we take history into consideration, magazines or newsletters were read only by wealthy people, wealthy enough to be literate, literate enough to read a magazine. This gave magazines an upmarket appeal. Let's fast forward to an era where a virus has emerged as an agent of chaos. We are living in a constant threat of getting infected. Social distancing, wearing masks, personal hygiene, and the new normal, which is not normal at all. In this era, what if you need information related to your health from professional doctors? Or what if you, as a medical student, need information which will supplement your medical education? You will do a Google search of professional doctors and done? Well, what if all the necessary information that you need is compiled in the form of a medical magazine? Those upmarketish magazines have started to make sense, haven't they? Let me introduce you to a bunch of people whose vision of creating a magazine which is a standard source of information. Magazine which contributes in medical students no more no new collection. Vision of delivering quality medical content. Vision of making a fabulous magazine. Vision for crafting their vision into reality. Vision of becoming a better communicator. Vision of creating a platform that provides information and opportunity. Vision to ensure that the magazine quality is up to the mark. Someone got a stage to show their skills. Someone always wanted to be a part of the magazine. Someone was attracted by the informative nature of the magazine. Someone wanted to bring a new notion to the world. Someone had a vision of giving a ray of hope. Someone had a vision of making informative and fun to read magazine. Someone got the required exposure while creating an informative magazine. Someone had great thoughts while looking forward for the magazine. For someone wanted to do something new, something amazing. Let me introduce myself to you. I am the MedJuncture. I am a quarterly e-magazine. The bunch of people you just met were the editorial board of the MedJuncture. They have made me, and the word is out that I am an amazing magazine. Let's look at the logo. Fabulous, isn't it? The first edition is releasing very soon. Follow us on social media platforms for more information and updates, the link to which is in the description below. Stay home, stay safe, follow the new normal rules. Thanks for watching.